Morning everybody, John here at Koch in Athabasca. Just want to show you the importance of having certified technicians work on your vehicle. We had a customer come in with a noise at the front end of their vehicle, and we took it for a little test drive and noticed a really bad noise up front. Got on the hoist, took the wheel off, and we did a primary inspection. We found that the customer did his own work and had installed the brake pads backwards. So this brake pad, if I can get it off you here, this brake pad, this is the metal backing of the brake pad, and that's the friction, that's the wear surface of the brake pad. It should have been installed this way. Didn't happen, so it damaged the brake pad, damaged the rotor, and basically at this point replacement of parts is required again. These were brand new parts short time ago. So, importance of making sure you have a certified technician work on your vehicle is super important. As simple as the job may seem, it does cause issues if not done correctly and to proper procedures. All right, thanks, and thanks for listening. John at Koch, Athabasca.